Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use the Quicksilver credit card from Capital One. This tutorial will walk you through the steps to make the most of your Quicksilver card, helping you maximize rewards and benefits while managing your finances effectively. First, understand the key features of the Quicksilver card. It offers unlimited 1.5% cashback on all purchases, with no rotating categories or spending limits. There is also a one-time $200 bonus after spending $500 within the first 3 months of account opening. To start using your Quicksilver card, activate it by calling the phone number provided or through the Capital One website. Once activated, you can set up an online account to manage your card, view statements, and track rewards. Next, learn how to earn rewards. Since the Quicksilver card offers 1.5% cashback on all purchases, you can earn rewards on everything from groceries to gas and travel expenses. Make sure to use your card for daily purchases to maximize your rewards. To redeem your rewards, log into your online account and navigate to the rewards section. You can redeem cash back for a statement credit, check, or gift card. There is no minimum redemption requirement, allowing you to redeem your rewards at any time. To make the most of your Quicksilver card, use it for all your daily purchases and pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. You can also set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment. Additionally, take advantage of other benefits such as travel accident insurance, 24-hour assistance, and zero liability for unauthorized purchases. The Quicksilver card also offers extended warranty protection and purchase protection on eligible items. By following these steps and using your Quicksilver card responsibly, you can maximize your rewards and benefits while maintaining good financial health. Remember to always review your account terms and conditions to stay informed about any changes or updates to your card benefits.